Hello everyone. So today we will make the activity of play tag. So how to do this? Let's see. We will take the farm background and add a dog character. Position the cat and the dog about 5 steps apart from the stage. Okay. So here we will take a new project and now we will take a farm background. Now here I will take a tick and I will take a dog over here. Okay, and we have to make it 5 steps away from the edge. Now let's see the another step. Introduction to start a bump block. Okay, so we will take a bump block over here and initiate the character sprite upon the collision with the another character. How to make it move? Okay, so let's do that. So our next step is adjust their position as needed to the during script testing. Move towards the dog and say tag. And we have to move backward for the pause for 2 seconds and add a repeat forever block to the cat's spirit. Okay, so let's take the cat. Here I have taken tick, so we will take tick first. Take a green flag. From the move, take motion for the 5 seconds. Okay, now take the say block and write tag over here. Enter it and now taking move again 5 steps and we have to wait it for 20 seconds. Okay, so here we will write the value of 20 seconds and repeat it forever. Okay, so let's see the another step. So another step is the dog spirit used to start the bump block. So that is start when the dog bumped by the cat, and after the dog is bumped it will wait for 2 seconds to give the cat chance to run away. Then the dog will move to the cat and say tag. So we have to create the dog spirit over here. So for it we will go on our page now. We will click on the dog, take a green flag over here. It is our green flag. From the green flag option we will take the bump option. Now we have to wait for 2 seconds over here. Okay, now take the move option and now you have to change the value to the 5. Take the tag option. You have to write the tag over here and now enter it, and again from the motion block you have to take the value 5 over here. Now tap the green flag button to see the character play tag. Press stop button to end the game. Now let's see the results of it. Make the full screen over here and tap the green flag button. So you can see our characters are playing bump on each other. So this was our activity. To stop the game you have to click on the red button of stop. Thank you.